Hey, Dr. Cassie, what are your thoughts on weight loss medications like Ozempic?
That's a great question. I actually love weight loss medications like Ozempic, although I would say that they're highly misused by people because people get way too high doses. So I used to be one of those providers that thought that Ozempic, Trulicity, Mounjaro, all these medications, you should give the highest dose possible, put people on it, titrate them up, get them to lose weight, and then take people off of it. That's not how you use these medications. I really like compounded medications, semaglutide, tirzepatide, because you can use really small doses. And what we find with these really small doses is that they benefit people in so many ways other than just for weight loss. They actually, we know that there are receptors for GLP-1 in your heart, in your brain, on your fat cells, lots of places. And so what we're finding with these really small doses of semaglutide and tirzepatide is not only does it help people not have food cravings, and it helps with GI tract health and gut health, but it helps with inflammation. And inflammation is the root of all evil. It's the root of all disease. And so when you're inflamed, what happens is your body is not going to be able to lose weight. And so these medications lower inflammation. They make joint pain better. They make brain fog better. They actually lower inflammation in your brain. We're showing, lots of people are reporting how dementia and things like that are improving with these medications. And so I do love compounded semaglutide and tirzepatide for weight loss, but I like it for more of the fact that we're lowering inflammation. And when you lower someone's inflammatory markers, your body is more adapt and more well-versed to actually lose weight. When you're walking around in a chronic inflammatory state, it's hard for you to lose weight because your body is concerned something bad is happening. And so these medications will lower that inflammation, will help your brain and your gut actually talk. The gut-brain connection will come back, and so your body will know when you're hungry and when you're not. That will help a lot of people as well. The other thing these medications are doing are they're improving sleep. So people who have had chronic insomnia or issues sleeping because of blood sugar spikes, because of insulin spikes, this is helping that, and sleep is so important for weight. So I like these medications, but you have to have a provider that knows how to use them correctly, knows how to educate people, knows how to dose them correctly. Because weight loss is very complex. It's not just about what you eat. The type of nutrition you eat, when you eat it, how much muscle mass you have, what exercise you're doing, are you sleeping, are you stressed, what does your gut health look like, and then what do all your other hormones look like? All this plays a part in weight. And so you can't just focus on one thing. So at Modern Endocrine, we really try to focus on all of this and help you put all the pieces together. But I do really like compounded semaglutide and tirzepatide in very small doses for weight because we can get this effect of anti-inflammation in the brain, in the muscles. Joint pain goes away. And then it also actually helps with skeletal muscle. As long as you're able to eat the protein that you're supposed to eat, it helps you actually build and maintain skeletal muscle instead of losing it over time.